In this video, I'll be showing you how to fix Samsung phone unresponsive touchscreen that's not working. It's a very simple method, so if you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. But anyways, getting into it, if the screen isn't responding to any touches, you cannot use the on-screen power off button. You gotta use the hardware keys. So what you wanna do is press and hold the volume down button and the power side button simultaneously. Hold them for at least 10 to 15 seconds. And as a result, the screen will go black and the Samsung logo will appear. This soft reset clears the temporary RAM and usually fixes 90% of touch issues. And Samsung displays are highly tuned, so if using a glass screen protector, the phone might miss your lighter taps. So what you want to do is go over to your settings, go ahead and find display, and then once you find display, scroll down until you find touch sensitivity, and then once you go ahead and find it, turn it on like so. And it increases the touch sensitivity of the screen for use with screen protectors, and then that should definitely help as well. And what you can also do is disable touch protection. So while you're still in display, look for accidental touch protection. And once you go ahead and find that, if you have that setting, go ahead and turn it off. And if this fixes the issue, that means your phone's proximity sensor near the top camera might be blocked by a case or a dirty screen as well. And yeah, it's as simple as that. Now, if you found this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. And also be sure to check out all our other tutorials that we've been posting on the channel as well.